SearchPath Midwest, a SearchPath HCS company.
Hi, it's Steve Nahez with SearchPath Midwest. We're on the hunt right now for an HVAC engineer at a major Tier 1 automotive supplier. We're looking for someone with 5 to 15 years of experience with HVAC development. This would be in the center stack and then behind the instrument panel and the development of the system. This position will pay upwards to $95,000 full-time, it's direct and full benefits. Email your resume to us at midwest@searchpath.com. SearchPath Midwest, we partner with the companies you want to work for.